Every time you buy a latte, you're not just paying for coffee, you're choosing to miss out on something else. This hidden price tag is called opportunity cost. It's the value of what you give up when you make any choice involving money. Let's say you spend $5 daily on lattes. That's $18.25 each year if you buy one every day. Imagine if instead of buying lattes, you invested that $18.25 annually in stocks. Over 30 years, with an average annual return rate of about 7%, your investment could grow to over $164,000. So that daily latte might not just cost you the price of coffee, it can also cost you a chunk of change for retirement. That's what we mean by opportunity cost. It's not about demonizing lattes or investing as the one true path. It's understanding that every financial decision is a trade-off. When you buy something, you're also choosing not to save or invest that money. That's why opportunity cost is crucial in making smart financial decisions. Understanding this concept could help you rethink your daily purchases, not just lattes, but subscriptions, impulse buys, or even larger expenses. Remember, today's decisions can affect tomorrow's outcomes. Money Mechanics decodes how money really works, one mechanism at a time. Subscribe to see more hidden costs in everyday choices.